Okay, the drink that I'm about to make is called Bellini No. 2. Basically what we've got a champagne flute and champagne and peach schnapps. Now this is a great drink to have with a Sunday brunch or a Saturday brunch, but definitely a good kind of early day lunch kind of drink to have. Or if you're just looking to spice up your champagne, it's a pretty simple way to do that. So just go ahead and fill up your flute, leaving room for one shot. And this is just regular champagne or sparkling wine. And let's put one shot of peach tree. And obviously, depending on how you want to start your day off, you can add more or less. And you don't really need to mix it up, but if you're worried about the peach schnapps mixing in with the champagne good enough, you can go ahead and just give it a little bit of a mix. And also, if you'd like to throw in some real peaches or some pureed peach along with that, that's another way you can spice it up a little bit. Bottoms up.